To record screen on a Samsung A36 5G, all you have to do is just open the quick settings panel like this. You will have to expand, and now you will have to search for the screen recorder icon, which is available here. When you tap on it for the first time, you can decide if you want to record your sound from media and microphone, or for example, you can mute and do not record any sounds. You can also show taps and touches on the screen. It's especially useful when you want to make some tutorials, guides, or show some specific things. And now you can just click start recording, and here you can find countdown. You can also skip countdown. And now when you are recording, you can simply pause by clicking here or continue. You can also turn on the selfie camera so you can show your face in the left upper corner, and you can even move it for sure by clicking, holding, and then dragging into any place that you want. You can turn it off by clicking on this icon back, and when you click on this pencil icon, you can even change color of your pencil and then the bold effect, and you can draw something. You can select, you can draw arrows wherever you want. If you want to remove your drawing, click on the back icon that is right here. Now if you want to finish, you will have to click in this place, and now after a few seconds it will be finished. Take a look. Oh, I just misclick for some accessibility menu. It's almost not visible, but let me just click here. There we go. Okay, right now as you can see, it is finished.